Hi guys, welcome to DevXP. And at DevXP, we have one goal to teach developers and give them the necessary experience that they need to move in their career from where they are to where they want to be. So DevXP basically started in 2023, January, and we saw a need because a lot of people, a lot of courses, a lot of platforms are built around teaching you how to write code, teaching developers how to write code. But after they finish learning how to write code, the next question is how do they go about everything? How do they, what next, basically? And it's usually easy for you to just go and then start building like a basic application, right? So you do a landing page, you do a clone of an app, and that's it. So basically, you work on projects alone, and then you are left to figure things out by yourself. And that's the problem. That's where we come in. That's what we're trying to solve, right? So how do we get you from where you are to where you need to be? Because the problem is most of the times the learning part is just the starting part. There are a lot of things that goes under. So things like how to write tests, how to do CICDs, how to do full stack search, how to do mm, basically best practices on how to go about things. And you notice that there are not a lot of content around that. Most of the content that are on the web are usually beginner friendly. So it's just for people that want to start learning. But for the more advanced and the more complex things, you hardly see people talking about it. And that's what we're trying to solve. So our work basically is to teach developers and give them the experience that they need to move from where they are to where they need to be. Because most hiring managers wouldn't want to hire the junior guys. Why? Because they don't have experience. Now, you may say that, okay, yes, I've worked on some projects, I've done landing page, I've done clones, and that's all I need, and then start applying for jobs. But the problem is there are a lot of things that you need to learn in order for you to be more valuable to a company. And most companies don't have the time or don't have the resources to hire you and then train you on those things. They want someone that they can hire today, like integrate them in the shortest period, in the shortest possible time. So you don't want to hire somebody and then you're writing code that is like this, and then they're telling you, okay, can you implement this, can you do this, and then you don't know how all this works. So the companies just want to hire people that after hiring them, they can get them to start working as soon as possible because that's the most economical thing to do. But the problem now is how do you learn what you need to do? So, so we are left with this dilemma that there are jobs, but then the developers that need the jobs, but then still the developers cannot get their job because they don't have the necessary experience that they need. So you see a lot of companies fighting for the senior guys, where a lot of the junior guys don't even have jobs to even start with. So we try to bridge that gap to try to create content around how to move, how to progress from where you are. Basically, our content is going to be get around people that have already have have already finished learning, basically. So people that already have started learning, finished learning their stack, basically. We'll be focusing on Flutter and React for now. So after I finish learning Flutter and React, how do you go? So we teach you more. We teach you more intermediate to advanced topics, things like how to use mono repos, how to write beta tests, how to use full text search, all these kind of things. So and this kind of knowledge, we believe they will help you move and help you gain experience in how to move forward from there, and then it gives you an idea of how production ready apps are supposed to be built. One thing that many people don't understand is the fact that you have deployed an app doesn't mean that it's production ready. Yeah. So we try to bridge those gap and try to talk about those advanced topics. So we hope that you enjoy your time with us, and we hope learn something from us and also be part of this community. And lastly, not only help developers learn how to code, we also want to build a community. So at the moment, we are WhatsApp based on our location, but we are also working on building a Discord um, channel so that people can also come there and then see the things that we do. So please like, subscribe, and we hope that this channel becomes more helpful. So we hope you enjoy your time with us, and don't forget to buy our merch. Like this is the Flutter one. It just says my code is my arch, Flutter is my brush. So we have give a link to the store, and you can order your own. There are different stacks that we make shirts for. Wear your shirts with pride. So this is part of one of the my stack, my pride collection. So thank you for your time, and we hope that you enjoy your time here. Please share, like, and subscribe.